them.
This is day 0
Right.
of our Cebu trip.
Gosh. And I'm wearing the
So annoying.
beige shirt.
Okay, so it's currently 5:47. So give them our flight details.
Our flight is gonna be tomorrow at like 7 a.m. sharp, so I have to be leaving here around 4:15, 4:30 type shit.
Yeah. That's not how he
Aray!
normally is. I don't know why he's putting on an internet persona for you guys right now. That's the real him. As you can hear.
Oh, what's wrong with you?
As you can hear.
Oh, me.
Yeah. That's Jomis Fernas Kapulong for you.
Attack!
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna order some food. We actually already ordered. And then, what are we gonna do?
Some stuff.
What? Never vlogging with you again. Annoying. We're gonna watch Bridgerton Part 2! Ganyan yan. But he was the one who said, I was starting to pack already. I was packing. And then, sabi niya, later na yan, pack. Let's watch Bridgerton. What? It's fine? You don't really want to watch it?
That's fine though.
I have a magic tool that's gonna help us right now.
What?
Promise? Promise?
No.
What's our bye to the vlog?
I'm with my girlfriend, you're not.